See the grass?
But eat the grass.
You want this grass?
You don't eat grass. I know who eat grass. Nobody. I know who live in the trees. Squirrels.
Yep, squirrels,
And
birds.
Eagles.
Eagles don't live in the trees though. Usually they live.
Owls.
Christian,
Owls.
you gonna walk?
Oh my God.
You want to sit down? Can I get your nose?